Hello, my name is Tapabruta Bhattacharya and I'm the head of Department of Mechanical Engineering at Meghnad Saha Institute of Technology. I would like to talk about my department, but first of all, there is one question that needs to be addressed. Why would you wish to be a mechanical engineer at this point of time? Now, you should be a mechanical engineer simply because it offers exciting opportunities like never before. New technologies are coming into play, such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things. We have additive manufacturing, improvements in robotics, enhancements in robotics, and various other technologies, new technologies that are going to stay for the next 30, 40 years. Now, these technologies will operate with mechanical engineering lying underneath. So, you have mechanical systems at the bottom that will be governed, controlled by these technologies. Why Meghnad Shah Institute of Technology? The department was set up in the year 2013. We have a rich expertise in terms of faculties. We also put a lot of emphasis on the teaching learning process. We do put in a lot of effort to see that at the end of 4 years, our students are equipped to do research, they are equipped to take on the challenges of the industry, they are equipped with all the qualities, all the elements that will be needed for them to succeed in life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Meghnad Shah Institute of Technology. Freshers of all engineering disciplines are under the Department of Basic Sciences and Humanities in their first year. The department has a distinguished record in both teaching and research in mathematics, physics, chemistry and English communication.